Alright guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. All I want to say is this, man. First thing first is, yeah, man, we got our hands on the Jordan airships, and I must say they looked it weird online. Looking at the pictures, not weird, but I was like, Then when we got them, like, bruh, these are game changers right here. And listen, man, all I'm gonna say is this: just check out the video. Man, we're back at it again, man. We got you another sneaker here, and I must say again, man, these released on May the 10th, if I'm not mistaken. I could be lying to you. I don't know. I mean, I don't remember. It came out one of those days. All I'm saying is this here: we do have the Jordan airships in the UNC colorway, and anything that's UNC and Jordan, man, to me is a win. And I must say, let's just check it out right here. Just give you a brief look of what we are dealing with right now, and these are the Jordan airship every games right here. As you can see, embroidered in the back right here. I mean, smooth colorway, absolutely amazing, beautiful. I mean, guys, this is absolutely hot, man. I do love UNC. North Carolina is my team. I must say, college, that I do rock the North Carolina, me and the wifey. But let's just jump right into the box here, and it does come in a nice, beautiful box. I do like this box here. It's like a sale/age type look box. It does fade. I don't know if you can really see it. As you can see, it's light here and it goes into a darker fade, like a cream type. It does give off the shiny vibes as well all around the box. And as you can see, we do got that Nike in that UNC colorway. And I must say, that UNC, you can't go wrong with that. And it does read on the side of it, Jordan Airship PE/SP. Summit white, diffuse blue, and I mean, yeah, inside of the box here, what we have is the stamp of approval on the top, as you can see right here. Nike check, regular brown bottom. It does have white tissue paper, and it has a wax tissue paper, so it has best of both worlds. And the good thing about it, they did give you something that was actually great. It did give you an actual pamphlet, the actual breakdown of the actual sneaker here, which is the airships, and it really pretty much just shows you in detail of how it all was just broken down, this sneaker itself, which I think is actually a good thing. I feel all sneakers should have this right here, a breakdown of what kind of cushions they're using, the whole nine. So I think that is pretty sweet, man. As you can see, it does have that, again, that airship. I call it the digital look. As you can see in the back of it, we got the Jumpman with the Nike at top here, and that's about it, man. But what we're here for today is, right now for you, again, Jordan airships every game. And again, do you see this nice vibe, this nice age look they got going on? It's actually got like a crackle look going on with it. And I must say, it's beautiful. All right, so let's jump right into it. We're gonna start at the bottom of this sneaker and let's jump into the detail of it. As you can see, we do have this nice aged bottom. It actually has that same look as the Lost and Founds was. As you can see here, it's got that nice little age walked in already. I do like that. I'm telling you, I wish most of the sneakers they do come with have that kind of look. I do like it a lot. Jumping around to the mid sole of the actual sneaker is like an aged look as well. As you can see, we got like the little ruffles on the actual sole of the actual sneaker here. As you can see, the little ruffles here, which I call it an aged look as well. A nice cream aged look. You cannot beat it. Now, the specialty of this sneaker here is, guys, the white. Look at the white on it, man. The white, as you can see, is that crackle look. Beautiful crackle look in it throughout this whole white of this actual sneaker here. I mean, this is just beautiful, beautiful art. Like I said, you just can't beat that. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's like Nigel. He actually, if I'm not mistaken, wasn't he giving a pair to PJ Tucker, I think. I might be saying it wrong. I don't know. I think it was something that went like that as well. But it was also a batch of that went strictly for him. and these were like more of the general public ones as well. Just like I said, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong about that. But yeah, just let me know in the comments about that. I'm thinking that's how it's broken down. But yeah, as you can see here, we do have that nice UNC blue in a nice suede. I call it a small, like a hairy suede we got going on here. That's going around the anklets of the actual sneaker here. Also going up on the actual tongue, the eyelids of the actual sneaker here. We have that nice blue as well. The UNC blue going up in that suede. And also we do have that nice suede Nike check as well. And then the back of it again, we got that embroidered every game here on this here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if the every game was something dealing with Jordan wearing a lucky pair of UNC shorts under all his his actual uniform, or the shorts or something like that. I think it's a whole story to that. So I think that's mainly also that's something to do with the sneaker as well. And if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, man. Break it down to me, man. I am not the actual Jordan guru here, you know what I mean? I mean, I've been around for a long time. I watch a lot of his games. I watch him destroy a lot of people's lives in games. But as far as getting into the actual detail of him, what he wore under his actual compression shorts and all that good stuff, yeah, I didn't do that. All right, but yeah, jumping right into it here, we do have a nice little thin tongue, padded tongue right here, and it gives like a little aged look to it. It's like a nice aged cream look, as you can see it here. It does have a different look to it. I'm not gonna say it's like a light brown, if you ask me, like a light aged brown. And then we do get this Nike right here as well, in that nice little darker blue, which is more like a I call it a blue jean blue. And right along with these laces here as well. It did come with an extra pair of laces, and we did put this extra pair of laces in the other sneaker here. So you guys let me know which one you think is best. So bow, here we go. Here we got the nice sail laces in here. Now I am leaning more to the sail. I like how the sail actually fits in with this actual sneaker here, but the jean blue dudes look good too. But if I had to choose something, I would have to choose, it would have to be this actual sail, man. This sail makes this sneaker look absolutely crazy, baby. But yeah, same details on the actual sneaker on the other actual foot here. And again, man, this Jordan Airship every game, I do like it. I do like it. I know a lot of people say they didn't like it. I guess due to the details of the actual sneaker. Hey, and again, that's where it falls in of what you like and what other people like. Everybody got their own preference on what they like. Me personally, I think this is a solid sneaker here. I really do like them a lot. We did have some great ones come out. We did have the actual Jordan 4s that came out. The black and yellows, the Thunders, I like them a lot too. But these here, just giving me that whole Jordan 1 vibe mixed with a blazer look type thing. And I'm telling you, I like this whole look of this sneaker here, man. But yeah, that's pretty much the detail of this actual sneaker here. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the Airship Jordans here. And did you cop a pair? Do you like the pair? Do you not like the pair? Tell me, man. Let me know in the comments, man. Yeah, we're back on the sneaker grind again. Also, we are doing gaming. I must say, we've been playing a lot of Apex. But yeah, primarily, guys, we are still bringing the sneakers to you. And I must say, again, I love you all for all the love and support, guys. And the grind doesn't stop. We will continue to bring more sneaker videos. So be on the lookout. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Also, please hit that like button for your boy, man, because you know what, man? Let's get this video in the algorithm, man, so we can get this channel out for all of us, man, because we're all one big family. You know what I mean? But till then, man, I'll see you guys on the next sneaker video. Again, let me know in the comments which one would you go with. Would you go with the actual, I call it the jean blue, or would you go with the actual sail laces? Let your boy know. All I gotta say is this: love and bless. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.